Welcome back, guys, to another video. I know I haven't posted a while. It wasn't letting me record. But today, we're playing Dandy's Staircase. And if you look at this picture here, let's zoom in. That looks like Finn. Now, I've played this game before. I didn't record it. I'm gonna be doing voice acting. I'll shut the hell up for your guys' sake. What is what is this place? No, this can't be happening. It is. I guess I have no choice but to figure out what's in here. I know that voice acting was trash. But Saibao, here's a note. Remember, if a tune that's not behaving naturally, make sure to put them inside the staircase room. We don't want them to cause any harm with the others whatsoever. Yes, I'm aware that something's all the way at the bottom of the stairs. I hope it's nothing to worry about. We can't go down. Now we have box. There is no jump. There is no flashlight. No nothing. There might be an epilepsy warning. Like that right there. Now, I haven't ever gotten to the bottom of the staircase, so I don't know what's below. This might take like 20, maybe an hour to get all the way down here. I don't know. Maybe not. But wait, I gotta turn my brightness all the way up. Not the volume, the brightness. Okay. I'm pretty sure like every 20 flights of stairs we go down, there's something. I don't know though. It's like Wayside School. 30 flights of stairs, but actually 29 because there's no 19th floor and there's no Mrs. Zards. Well, who is Mrs. Zards? Well, we don't have Mrs. Zards. Okay, she's not there. And there is a 19th floor, but there's no 19th floor. That just froze me off. Stop ringing your bell! Stop ringing your bell? Huh? I don't know. It's just from Wayside School is falling down. I don't know. Oh, that's great. Looks like some tune must have hit their head on the wall. Oh. Seems like they hit their head again. I wonder how many tunes got put in here. What the heck? I just heard... Let me... Bro, what the... I swear I heard the sound when a twisted kills you, bro. Or I'm delusional. So I played this game before. But I'm not gonna give y'all any spoilers. More ichor? Finn? Yo, Finn! Wake up! Wakey, wakey! Eggs and bakey! Wait. I'm just emoting on Finn's head. I'm just emoting on Finn's head. Yo. Oh, there's ichor. Cool. No. Oh. Okay, there it is. I got it back. Boy, oh my god. Was twisted? Was like a twisted down here or something? Sorry, I have a stuffy nose, guys. I'm not sick though, but like, I have a stuffy nose. There's no option. We don't have like a flashlight. My cat, I swear to God. There the footsteps are again. It's like more than a Dandy's World fan-made horror game. This is like a bit of nightmare. Bro, this is like a bit of nightmare fuel. Only if like we get any jump scares. The reason why I didn't put a blood warning in here is because ichor isn't actually, it's just the toon's blood and it's not considered actually blood. Bruh. So far we heard 2 footsteps and a twisted sound. Oh. I love doing this, like I can get a peek of what's going to be like down the stairs. Who put rush from doors in this game? Bro, what the? I wanna know, what is this? Okay, more ichor. What is that? Okay, that got me. That got me. That got me. If I hear another peekaboo, I'm gonna be throwing hands with this doll, I swear. Great. More ichor. It's freaking floating. It's freaking floating. If I hear another creepy sound, I'm gonna be throwing hands. Bruh. 3 footsteps, 1 peekaboo, 1 static, and 1 twisted sound. More ichor. god, this is already 10-minute long video. I'm gonna be getting angry. Ugh. More ichor. Bruh. It's like Minecraft ambient sound ain't gonna scare me. That's the 4th footstep. I wonder if it's only Finn in this staircase. So they said that